they're trying to chew.
I was in the picture.
Yeah, you're in the picture.
Let's do it again.
Takes a few attempts.
I'm going to make it quick so it could crash.
I'm still finishing that other bite.
Excuse me, Daddy.
No, don't. You okay?
Sammy, don't climb around.
You gonna try and chew?
Yes, that's it.
Oh, he is.
Uh-oh.
Not so sure.
Just gonna choke.
Sammy, wait.
Turn it back on right now.
Stop.
Get over there. Sit down and eat your dinner.
No, it isn't, Sammy. Eat your dinner. What? Here you go. Excellent, look at that, yum. Ooh.
If I want the light with that fish, you could still see it.
Running.
Is that alright? Okay. Oops. Perhaps not such a huge success.
We had a couple of them earlier. Here,
Okay.
swallow. Here, take this and swallow it down.
Yes, mashed potatoes, yes.
Some of that instead.
Orange potatoes cold again.
Just wash it down.
Sweet
What are
potatoes.
those orange?
Sweet potatoes. This is squash.
Yes, sweet potatoes and there's squash and pumpkin.
Okay. That's
Running.
it. Running. Okay, bye.